Hi guys, we are Sophia and Dennis, owners of Tiny Planet, elaborate, homey, and Voguish van conversion company. We're excited to show you our Mercedes Sprinter 170 conversion in the new Dinette layout. We named this layout Open Space. The main feature of this layout is a spacious living room that converts into a California king-size bed. A large seating area with a lagoon table can fit up to 8 people to play table games, eat, and have fun. It is also the perfect spot to work with the computer, enjoying the view from the open rear doors or windows. It takes 3 to 5 minutes to convert a sofa into a bed. Pull down the lagoon table at the level of the bed, add a missed piece of the wooden platform, and fill the space with cushions. I know it doesn't sound easy for everyone, but a California king-size bed guarantees a pleasant night experience. It is also a necessary solution for tall people who will not fit on a smaller bed in a perpendicular position. The next feature in this van is an innovative bathroom. We build showers in every van. We want people to feel at home and enjoy the comfort they are used to. Do you have a toilet inside the shower stall in your house that you must take away every time before taking a shower? We don't think so. That's why we found a solution to avoid doing that in a van. We developed a unique pull-out toilet system that people called Genius. Push to open the door and pull the toilet. Just 2 movements to transform the shower stall into a toilet room. Close the roll-up door for privacy and enjoy your home-like experience. The heavy-duty rails allow the toilet to slide out and hold a weight of up to 550 pounds. The waterless toilet has 2 containers and a ventilation system that eliminates any smells and also serves as an exhaust against humidity in the bathroom. Toilet paper is conveniently attached to the door and never gets wet. As for the shower, we decided to make it even better than at home. Multicolored LED lights and a mist shower head create a spa-like experience. The shower head is very efficient. It uses only 0.4 gallons per minute, allowing you to take long showers without problems. Okay, let's come back to the living area. There's a spacious kitchen with an induction stove, with 2 burners, a deep quartz sink, a faucet that matches other gold fittings, and a hexagonal backsplash. The countertop has plenty of space. However, you can extend it with a pull-up table. Combined with the swivel passenger seat, it creates an additional spot for eating or working on the computer. There is one more small coffee table outside the van. A 3.3 cubic feet refrigerator is placed in a high position for easy access. It is big enough to store food for up to 1 week. Another cool feature of this van is a wardrobe with a giant LED touch mirror. Nice and fancy closet for anyone who likes to dress up. I love it. Warm and cold mode LED light is the best for daily makeup routine. Let's talk about other storage areas. This van has 21 different storage places, 10 drawers, 2 big pantries, and 2 massive storage units under the sofa for blankets, pillows, and bedding. It also has 2 hidden storage areas under the floor, upper cabinets, and the shoebox. The garage under the bed can easily fit 2 mountain bikes and even more. The van has plenty of space for everything you want to bring on the road. To create a comfortable temperature inside the van, we installed a max air fan. However, we left a pre-wired space to install a heater and cruise and comfort air conditioner for future needs. The multi-zone, multicolor light system inside the van is controlled by a wireless remote controller and a display attached above the sliding door. It has 4 separate zones. You can change multiple colors, dim, turn one zone on or off, or all zones together with one button. The electric system in the van is self-sufficient. The van has a 300 amp-hours lithium-ion phosphate battery. This power is enough to live off-grid, using an induction stove, water heater, and 110 volts outlets with no charge. Also, we saved the spot for an additional battery if needed. This van has 3 sources of charge. 400 watts of solar power fully recovers your power expenses on sunny days. DC to DC charger charges the battery while the engine is on. And shore power allows being connected to any outlet and charges the battery. We use Victron, best marine industry devices for the whole electrical system. You can manage all the devices and see the battery status using the application on your smartphone via Bluetooth. A switch at the backsplash is used to turn on the induction stove or the water heater to prevent them from overloading the electrical system. There are many sockets in the van. Most locations have multiple power USB and Type-C sockets and 110-volt outlets. It is more than enough to charge all of your devices simultaneously. Let's talk about water. The van has a 30-gallon freshwater tank and a 20-gallon gray water tank. The electric valve lets you dump the gray water tank without leaving the van. You also don't need to store a sewer hose. A hose extension is hidden under the van to access any dump station sewer. It is easy to connect any hose to refill the water. A vent hose also works as an overflow hose, so you'll never flood. There's a 2.5-gallon water heater by Bosch for a perfect long hot shower. Usually the water lasts 3 to 4 days showering every day for 2 people and washing dishes after every meal. On the van's roof is a deck made from premium composite boards that last forever. You can climb up to the top from inside the van using the hatchway and the rope ladder. However, you can always install a ladder outside the van. The hatchway brings so much natural daylight into the room. It also has a blackout curtain and a bug screen. The rooftop terrace is perfect for watching sunsets and enjoying sunbathing. The design of this van is inspired by fine art. We used to live in Italy for a few years, where we deeply fell in love with architecture. The art centerpiece of this van is a miniature copy of the Head of David by Michelangelo, framed by a hexagon. The honeycomb patterns, organic forms, contrasting blue and mustard colors are the recognizable design features of this tiny art house. Traveling in this van will make you feel homey, safe, and ready for any adventures on the road. We intentionally designed it to make your van life experience comfortable. The chic design of the van will make you think you're staying in a 5-star hotel, even when you're in the middle of nowhere. The luxury tiny home on wheels, made by Tiny Planet, will be with you everywhere you go. Subscribe to this channel to see more elaborate and chic conversions. 2 more new builds of Mercedes Sprinters in different designs are coming soon.